Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 5 strategies to stay motivated on your career path. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Maintaining motivation throughout your career journey is crucial for sustained success and fulfillment. Here are 5 expert strategies to help you stay inspired and motivated on your professional path. Define your purpose. Clarify your overarching purpose or mission in your career, providing a strong foundation for your motivation during challenging times. Set meaningful goals. Establish specific and achievable goals aligned with your aspirations, breaking them down into manageable milestones to track your progress. Cultivate a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, embracing setbacks as temporary and opportunities for improvement. Seek inspiration from others. Surround yourself with positive and motivated individuals who inspire you, engaging in mentorship and networking to fuel your aspirations. Practice self-care. Prioritize your well-being by engaging in activities that rejuvenate and recharge you, such as exercise, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. Conclusion: by incorporating these strategies into your routine, you can foster a mindset of inspiration and motivation, empowering you to overcome obstacles and achieve your career goals. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.